Do you want to enable Hibernate option on the power menu? In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to enable Hibernate in Windows 10. Okay, let us start. But before, please like, subscribe, and tap on the notification button so that you don't miss out any new video on this channel. Okay. Here you see there is no Hibernate option here. Tap on Start and type in the control panel. Tap to open. Here in Category, select Large icon. Here tap on the Power option. Click and choose on what the Power button does. On the shutdown setting, you can see the Hibernate option is inactive. Tap on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Then it's available. Check the box. Click on Save Changes. Close this. After that, click on Start. Tap on Power. Here you can see Hibernate option is now available. So, that's how we can enable the Hibernate option. Okay. Check out these other cool videos. Have a nice time.